Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Rise app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Rise app focuses on helping you track your sleep depth and plan your energy level with recommendation for when to sleep, wake, and even avoid carving. Its approach is backed by sleep science and the interface is polished, making it a strong option if you are serious about improving how rested you feel. However, it's not flawless. Users frequently report inaccuracy if you have non-standard sleep schedule or travel across time zone, bug, and a relatively sleep yearly subscription. So, if sleep and energy management are your top priority for you and you're willing to invest, Rise is worth using and worth your time. So if you want just basic sleep tracking or you need something free, you might want to try a simpler app first. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you did, don't hit the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.